Okay. Yan. So, hi everyone. Good evening, no? Thank you so much for joining me tonight to our 31 attendees. So, I hope you are all doing great. So, before I start, let me just have some quick introduction lang na of myself. So, by the way, my name is Joanna Blanca Ramos. I am the Customer Support Associate of First Metro Securities, and I am based in Mindanao. So, to those who are familiar with me, no? So I've been doing some live navigation of the first MetroSec platform. So if you've checked or participated in our previous webinars, so I've conducted navigation of our first MetroSec Go app, also the first MetroSec Classic, the first MetroSec My platform, and for tonight, I will be doing a live navigation of the first MetroSec platform. So, okay, let me just have a quick feel lang, no, of the participants tonight kasi later I will be conducting a quick poll lang. So I hope you stay with me at the end of the webinar. Actually, this is hopefully would take only an hour, no? And I will shrink all the informations you need to know about the first MetroSec Pro platform. So I highlight the features of our platform that I believe will be valuable in your investing journey. Okay, so let me just... Yan. So before we get started, no, I want to share something about First Metro Securities. So once you have an account with First Metro Sec, you can manage all your accounts in only one place. So this includes your assets in stocks, REITs, ETFs, mutual funds, UITFs, and bonds. So again, you only need one account with us to monitor everything. So yeah, this is the part where we launch our poll. Okay, so if it's, yeah, I think I need some assistance with the poll here. Yan, okay. So let me just proceed now with the poll. So these are only two questions, no? Hope I receive some responses from you. So these are just simple. You can respond or you can answer by simply clicking on your devices. So the first question, are you an existing First MetroSec client? So that's a yes or a no. The second question, if you are an existing First MetroSec client, what platform or which platform are you currently using? So we have here again the My, the Classic, and the Pro, and as well as the Go app. So yes, this is a good response rate. No? So I'm receiving 62%. Yan, it's moving. So to those who do not have an account with us, so maybe you are considering opening an account with First Metro Sec. So this webinar is a great opportunity for you to explore the platform and its powerful features. Now, to those naman na may existing account na with us, so this is one way to discover new ways on how to leverage the platform's capabilities. So we have here 27 respondents, and they all have an account with First MetroSec, and majority of our attendees are using the First MetroSec Pro platform. Okay, so I'll now end the poll, and thank you so much for participating. Okay, so let's move on to our next. Yan. So for this evening, this would be our discussion points. So the first one, how to access the first MetroSec Pro platform. Second, how to conveniently navigate the first MetroSec platform. We will also discuss how to monitor price actions, how to buy or sell stocks on your own, and where to monitor portfolio performance, and where to find investment trade opportunities. So all throughout this session, we will be discovering all of these discussion points. Okay, next. So why First MetroSec Pro? Again, First MetroSec Pro is the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines. So when I say most advanced online stock trading platform, it gives you, or it is designed for active traders who need a quick access to the most relevant trading information, because it gives you features that is only available before to some industry professionals. Now, since you have an account with us and you have access to First Metrosec Pro, those features and those information are also available now for you. Okay, so these are the features and benefits of the First Metrosec Pro. So the platform is a powerful tool for active traders. It provides you with the information and tools you need to make informed trading decisions. So the first reason why choose First Metrosec Pro, because of its overall user interface. So when I say overall user interface, we have here improved design for better user experience, as well as some customization. So when we say customization, we will see it later, no? Because you have to you can customize now in choosing your themes. Next, yung ating market monitor. When I say market monitor, it gives you like the daily performance breakdown of the market, as well as it will provide you details of the indices by giving or showing you some charts, and as well as stock scanning. So when we say naman of stock scanning, we have this feature like you can create watch list, no? We will explore that one later. We also have there the bid and ask displays. And then one feature of the First Metrosec Pro is the market pressure. So next, we have the portfolio, where you can view consolidated portfolio, a comprehensive portfolio of your stocks, mutual funds, and cash. So we also have here stock information like the volume weighted average, projected prices, and the full market depth display. Lastly, we have the research. Actually, the research na is available across all platforms. But this one is more of an enhanced detailed research report. And lastly, the advanced charting tools. So we have there the interactive, the dynamic, and the Recognia. Okay, so yan. Before I discuss this one, if ever you have questions, so I really recommend you type in your questions and you put it in our Q&A chat box for us to have a monitoring if ever you've answered all those questions, if ever I've answered all those questions. So the first thing I'm going to discuss is how to be eligible for the access of the First Metrosec Pro. So we have here the first one. The First Metrosec Pro is open to all the First Metrosec clients. So you should have an account with First Metrosec to have access to the platform. Next, trade a cumulative amount of at least 100,000 pesos. That is buying and selling. So say for the month of May, so dapat meron kayong total na 100,000 na buying and selling. So that makes you automatic na to be eligible of the Pro Access. Or maintain a mutual fund or stock portfolio of at least 200,000. So when we say of stock portfolio, so we have here yung mga PSEI stocks natin. Preferred shares can also be counted, no? Mutual funds, so aside from stocks, you can invest in mutual funds as well. So dapat mag-total siya ng 200,000 pesos. And last guideline is hindi po kasali yung ating buying power, the cash or the buying power. So again, to be eligible, you should be a First Metrosec account holder, or you should have an account with First Metrosec. You must trade of at least 100,000 pesos or have a total portfolio of 200,000 pesos. So should you feel or should you think that you are eligible to have access sa ating First Metrosec Pro platform, you can email customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph. So we will be scheduling. So there's a schedule kung kailan namin i-activate yung inyong access. And then if activated na siya, you will just receive a confirmation or notification email. Okay, so to access the website, we have here, just enter pro.firstmetrosec.com.ph. So I'll start the navigation and let me just switch my screen. Okay, let me see. Right. Okay, yes. I think you can now see my screen. Okay, so this is the first MetroSec platform. So to those na may account na, you can just simply input your username and your password and then click sign in. So all throughout this live navigation, I will be using our demo account. So again, the first thing that will greet you is our announcement. So you can just scan the announcements. These are all related to some just like this one, FundSmart or account updating and other announcements. Okay, so we are now on the dashboard or the homepage of our first MetroSec platform. Okay, so let me start. Yeah. So at the upper right, this is where you access your portfolio in stocks. We also have here access to funds and accounts. So I will just have a quick review lang no, of the account page. So under account, you will see here a summary or quick glance of your portfolio, and then deposit. So it will just give you instructions on what are the mode of funding your first MetroSec account. So bills payment or over the counter. So should you want to make a withdrawal, so just go to this part of the platform. We also have here corporate actions. So corporate action, these are just like this one. We have the stock rights offering of Union Bank, or it ended yesterday. So if there are some corporate actions, just go to this part of the platform. So reports, for the reports, this is where you access your statements. Statement of accounts, also your credit memo and debit memo. If you have holdings in bonds, you will be able to see the documents here, and as well as your receipts for your withdrawal request. Okay, so going back to the platform, yeah. So we have here the announcements, additional details of the announcements, account transactions. So you will see here all your transactions like cash in, withdrawals, and their status. So FAQs. For the FAQs, you will be redirected to our first MetroSec Help Center. So this will provide you a lot of articles which you can read on. No? So just some basic frequently asked questions. Okay. And next, we have here the details of our Davao, Makati, and the Cebu offices. So meron po tayong hub sa Cebu and Davao, and these are their contact number and the address. So going back on the homepage of our stocks. So ito na yung ating first MetroSec platform. You will see that it will provide you a quick glance of the performance of the market dun sa ating first tab. So first discussion, doon sa ating enhanced user experience. If you notice, if you just go here sa ating upper right part ng ating screen, no? So we have here hotkeys. So yung hotkeys, ito yung ating shortcut keys. So if you want to make some buy or sell transactions, you can just simply click on these hotkeys because we know pag magbebenta and magbibili tayo ng stock, so time sensitive siya. So let's try this one, buy order entry. So we just click on the slash and it will redirect you nasa ating trade order tab, which is the buying. So going back, let's also try, we have here index report. So shortcut for the index report, we have here Shift F7. And so this will automatically forward you sa ating index report. So another, we have here the trade calculator. So the trade calculator, it provides you a quick computation lang of your profit, no? So say for this one, input lang for the com rate. So it's default 0025. And then the minimum commission, nandito na din siya. So say you wanna buy JFC. Okay. And then you want to buy 1,000 shares of JFC. So JFC, I think currently trading at 229. So let's just say it's 229. No? So it will provide you or it will calculate your total by transaction. So yung ating by gross, the commission, and other fees. And then yung ating net, yung total na transaction. Tapos if ever naman magbebenta na kayo ng JFC, say bebenta nyo siya at 200 and say 35. So if you see here sa total charges, it will provide you kung magkano yung possible na profit ninyo. So when you want to buy a stock and you want to check lang if how much yung profit, so you can go to trade calculator. Pero please note lang that the values presented above are only indicative. So the exact and yung final na price natin would be presented sa ating order tab or yung ating confirmation. Okay? And another, ito naman yung ating customization. So we have here the theme. So meron tayong white, gray, and black. So just to show you a sample, we have here. So all throughout the navigation, I'll be using the gray theme. Another, we have here portfolio glance. So ito yun siya. It will provide you a quick glance of your portfolio. Next, we have the ticker. So you can view the ticker here. Since the market is closed, so wala po tayong makikitang ticker activities. So we'll just close this one. So another customization is if you want to view the sidebar or not, and also the right strip. Okay, so those are the first features no, of our first MetroSec Pro platform, yung ating enhanced user experience. Okay, moving forward, we have here sa ating market tab, we have here index and the watch list. So the index, it provides you what happened to the market. So kanina nag-close ang ating market at 6,607.22 points. So it will show you its price difference and equivalent percentage. It will also show you the value trades. So if you see here, meron po tayong pie chart dito. So the green one represents the stocks that went up. So ito yung ating 82 stocks. The red one, those are the stocks that went down. The white one represents those unchanged stocks. And then sa baba, we have here the local and foreign transactions. So sa market natin ngayon, 51% are local, are from the local no, transactions. You will also see here na yung ating local, they are net buyers. And then ang ating foreign, they are net sellers. So sa baba, you will see a quick performance of the indices in terms of percentage. And then if you click on this circle no, sa baba, you will see here the top 5 top gainers, worst losers, and most active. Now, the platform is integratable. If you click any of this stock code, so say for the top gainers, we have here SPM. So it will redirect you sa ating stock info. Okay, so going back sa ating market, yeah. Next, we have here the watch list naman. So watch list, you can create up to 5 watch lists with 30 stocks per watch list. So dito, you have the option na based on your preferences. Watch list 1 is for, say, PSEI stocks, 2 for the REITs, 3 for the dividend paying, and so on. And this is also integratable sa other parts ng ating platform. So moving forward sa ating market tab, we have here the multiple bid and ask. So sa ating multiple bid and ask, you will see the top 5 bid and ask price of your stock. So the first thing, we have here the numbers. So these are just pages, no? So if you wanna check if medyo madami yung stocks ninyo, so the pages are available. The plus sign, it will provide you a predetermined no? Option. So say you wanna check the multiple bid and ask of your watch list number 2. So you just click watch list number 2. Next, we have here the level. So you can view, again, this is the top 5 bid and ask price. You can also view the top 3 bid and ask price of the stock. You can also see here columns. So you can check, you can view 2 columns only, or if you want 3 columns. Okay. Next, we have here bid and ask. If ever doon sa ating multiple bid and ask, you will see the top 3 or the top 5. Dito sa ating bid and ask naman, you will only see yung top lang talaga. The top bid and ask nung stock na yun. So say we have here, let's check on PSEI. So we have here the bid and ask of AC. You will see its bid, ask prices, its last price, difference, and other details na din. So this one, you can sort this one, just simply click on the column, no? So say you wanna check on a stock na may highest value. So we have here ICT. So if you check naman dun sa ating index, ICT is our most active traded stocks because of this value. Okay, next we have here the stock quotation. So stock quotation, additional details lang, you will see the previews, open, high, low, and its last price. You can also sort this one. So you want to check on a stock na mayroong highest number of trades. So we have here, ito, ICT din. Kaya din siya most active. Next, this is another feature only available sa ating First Metrosec Pro. We have the flows info. So the flows info shows you the foreign and local transactions, yung kanyang buy, sell, and yung net. So if ever you consider this one, you can check it under market and flows info. And again, you can also sort this one. Next, we have here market pressure. This is a feature that is only available then sa First Metrosec Pro. So you have here two options, no, two kinds of view. See, dito sa ating left side, you will see price range. So let's check on PSEI again. Yan. So we have here AC. Sa price range, it will show you the stocks opening, highest, and closing price. So for AC, its opening price is 615 pesos. Its highest price is 623. Tapos yung kanyang closing price is 619.50. So all of this, in this column, it will provide you the price range action of that specific stock. So dito naman sa ating right side, you will see the bid and ask volume. Ito yung ating top 5 no, na volume. So from here, you will see na yung ating AC, more of ano yan sila, top seller, more on net sellers pala. Kasi the ask equivalent volume, total siya ng 29,670. So this market pressure no provides you a quick activity lang no of what the market think about this specific stock. Okay, so going on to the next part. So we have here the quick trade. Yeah, we have here the stock naman. So under stock, you will see here the first one, yung ating stock info. So sa stock info, you will see yung kanyang bid and ask price. Sa baba naman, you will see yung ating time transactions, no? Kung kailan may nagbenta at bumili nung specific stock na yun, and then the brokers na nag-execute. Sa baba, you will see the disclosures and some company news. And then sa dito naman sa right side, you will see the closing price of that specific stock, and then its price quotation and other details. Next, we have here the 52-week high and low. If you click on the drop down, you will be able to see other options. So we have here 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, and 1 month. So from this, you will be able to know the lowest price of this stock, say SPM, that is 1.02 pesos, yung kanyang lowest price in the last 52 weeks. And then yung highest naman is 1.98 pesos. And it is currently trading at this price yung nasa gitna, that is 1.23. And then sa baba, you will also see a quick glance of its top 5 volume. Now, another is, you have also the option to view only top 5 or top 10. So let me just check another example. Yan. Say for JFC, so we have here the top 5 lang, the bid and ask, and the top 10 bid and ask of JFC. So next, another feature, we have here full depth. So if ever sa full depth, you will see the total numbers no of the specific buy and sell or bid and ask price. So kunwari, we have here the first one sa ating ask side. At the price of 229.60, meron tayong total ask price of 340 with a total number of orders, we have here 5. Yan. So you will see it sa ating full depth. If you click naman on the order book, it will give you all the details nung full depth na yun. So again, we have here, meron tayong 5 trades or transaction ng ating ask price na 229.60. And then ito yung ating ask volume. Ito sila. And then the total for that ask volume is itong 340. So going back, ito naman yung time na executed yung transaction na yun. So it will show you each na data no of the full depth na makikita natin dito. So again, we have here normal at tapos yung ating adlat. Just a reminder, adlat is only available no when the market is open. So we are done with the stock info. Next, we have the time and sales. So sa time and sales, it will only basically show you the time transactions, no? Kung kailan na-execute yung buy and sell transactions. Tapos the brokers involved. And then the volume review. So the volume review is very useful no, to some traders because this is the one thing they consider no kung bibili ba sila ng stock at sa kung anong price. So this is the volume weighted average no of JFC. That is 228.24. So it will also let you know no or identify kung saang price most likely magko-close yung isang stock. So if you check on the details here sa baba, you will see it here. Yan. So since nag-close si JFC at 229.40, yan, ito yung kanyang total volume traded and its percentage share and other details. Next, we have here naman the buyers and sellers. So the buyers and sellers basically shows you no, kung ano yung mga brokers na nag-trade for that specific stock. So it will show you the top, I think we have your top 8. Tapos yung equivalent na volume, value, and average. Okay? So we are basically done with the stock tab. So next, broker naman. So for the broker tab, it will show you lang the broker activities, no? The first one, we have the broker ranking. So of course, it is being ranked. Ito yung pinaka-first. And then yung kanilang mga transactions, so the total value, yung bought and sold value, net, and other details. So let's check on, say, for FMS. So if you click on this, you will be redirected sa ating broker activity. So sa broker activity, it will show you what stocks are top traded sa broker na yon, say for the buying and selling. So if you are a client of First Metro Securities and then you've traded AEV, so Aboitiz, no? So included ka dito sa transaction nung buying. And then we also have here yung time transactions and then some price or stock quotation natin. Okay? So basically, yun yung ating broker tab. So next, we have here the index tab. So the index tab, it will show you what happened to the indices. So the first tab, we have here index report. So it will show you performance of your indices. So we have finance, industrial, in this in a chart form na siya. So you will see here its opening and its closing price. So sa baba naman, you will see here yung previous, last, and its price difference and yung equivalent na percentage. So here we have the top 10 na movers, no? Top gainers and worst losers, and then top gainers and the most active traded stocks. So it will provide you the top 20 stocks na belong on this category. So sa baba naman, other details like the market volume, value, and itong ating mga foreign and buying. Next, we have here the index movers. So the first thing, you can click this drop down and check on the index. No, say you want to check on finance. So it will provide you the companies or the stocks under the finance index. So it will show you the last, its market capitalization, weight, and other details then. So say you want to check on holdings, yeah, ito din siya. You can also refresh this one. Next, we have the new highs and lows. So for the new highs and lows, this is a new feature actually. So on this drop down, check on the highs and lows of a stock, say 3 months na highest and lowest stock price niya, no? So say for this, we have OGP. So its 3-month high is 14.18. Yung kanyang day high naman is 15.50. You can also do a comparison, no? So pwedeng 2 columns nung iselect ninyo. Okay, so say 6 months. Yan, pwede yan siya. And then 12 months. So this will just help you identify kung ano yung bagong high and bagong low ng stock in this given time frame. No? 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So that's an added feature of the First MetroSec Pro. And then it is available sa ating index tab. So next, we have stats naman. So the stats, it will give you like more of the fundamentals and the technicals, no, of the stocks. So the first one we have here, top gainers. Actually, these are just the same, no? Yung ating top gainers, worst losers, most active, and top traded. So same information, you will be provided of its previous, last, price, difference, the value, volume, and total number of trades. You can also have the option to check on the top gainer na per day or per hour, 30 minutes ba, or the 15 minutes. Good thing is you can export this one. So you just click on this and automatic na siya. You can download the file na if it helps you on your trading activity. And also you can build a watch list based on this category. So again, so ito yung ating worst losers. If dito sa ating sidebar, it will only provide, the top 5. And then if ever doon sa ating index tab, it will provide you the top 20. Ito naman, all of the stocks listed sa ating PSEI. So next, let's move here sa ating analytics. So under analytics, you will see here first the fundamentals. So say you want to check on the price, and then we have here the percentage change, yung kanyang period to date, and 1 month. So let's check on this one. Yan. So we have here the percentage price to date of our AC. So year-to-date percentage, meron tayong 9.03%. Yung kaninamang quarter, we have this one and other entries. So you can sort this one, depende kung ano yung gusto ninyong i-retrieve na data. Okay, next we have here naman yung volume. So should you want to check on the volume of a specific stock, say in the last 1 month, 3 months, you can go to this part of the platform. You can also check on its growth based on its this category given. You can also sort this one should you want to consider these activities in your trading. And also, pwede nyo siyang i-sort. Next, we have shares. So under shares, you will see its total na market capitalization. So we have here the PSCI stocks. You can sort this one. Say we want to check on the stock that has the biggest market capitalization. So we have here SM. Its total shares outstanding naman is this one. Okay, next we have here the insider trades. So insider trades, these are trades coming from the executive. So for visibility lang of the public, you can check this one on the part of our platform. Next, we have here the share buybacks. So again, these are also trades executed by the executive. So next, we have here the technicals. So there are 2 ways naman to view the technicals. Meron tayong charting, and also we have this one, yung in number form naman siya. So from this, we'll be able to identify yung moving average, RSI, DMI spread, MACD, and the rate of change. Okay. Allow me also to share to you that we also have a it's like a course conducted by our consultant, Mr. Aaron Sai. So it's called GIFT, Guided Investor Fearless Trader. So he will explain to you further kung ano yung more of the technical side ng ating investing. So explain you about the moving average, RSI, and the MI spread. So since it's a course, so you will enroll, and meron lang po siyang kumbaga notification sa email, or you will see kung kailan yung next na class dun sa aming Facebook page. So next, we also have here the fundamentals. So if you are a trader that focuses on some dividend yields, you can also check on this one. You can sort this one as well. So say you want to check on a stock that has the highest dividend yield. So you just click on this column. So as always, we have here Samirara, which gives you a dividend yield of 21.21%. So kasi yung kanyang trailing 12 months dividend per share is 7. And if ever you bought the stock at the price of 33, so you have this dividend yield percentage. So next, we have price to earnings. So you will also see here yung kanyang 12 months trailing EPS. Tapos yung kanyang price to earnings ratio. Then other fundamental basics, we have price to book ratio and price to sales. Now, another webinar we conduct, we have BEST, so Basic Education on Stock Trading. All the details here, yung ating dividend yield, price to earnings, price to book, and price to sales ratio, they are being explained. And also, it is being participated in with our research team kasi they have insights on these fundamentals. Okay, Lastly, we have the consensus, no, under analytics tab. So we all know when we say of consensus, it is the average price of different analysts, no, kung ano sa tingin nila yung possible na target price ng isang stock. So under consensus rating, you will see here if it's a buy ba or if it's a sell, yung ating stock, or hold, or if you're gonna add. So say, you can also sort this one. So let's start by sorting. Yan. So if you want to check on a stock na that has the highest potential profit and loss, so you can do it this one. So say we have here, siguro we have here Pure Gold. So the consensus rating is 5 because the analysts think its average target price is 41.69. And then its current trading price or yung last price na is 24.7. So if ever you purchase Pure Gold at this price na 24.70 and then na-hit niya yung average target price na 41.69, then your potential profit is 68.79%. So this is also part of the platform, no, where you get some trading ideas dun sa ating consensus report. So you can sort this one based on the rating. So these are the stocks, no, na merong consensus rating of 5, meaning it's a buy. And then other details na din like yung kanyang potential profit and loss. Okay? So yun yung ating stats tab. And then let's move on sa ating research tab. So after you've gathered information of a stock, after you've gathered some details, no, of a stock, so we can move forward naman by doing some research. So the first one we have here, company. So basically under company, you will see details of that stock. So for this one, we have JFC. So ito yung kaniyang closing price, 229.40. You will see here the summary, so market cap, valuation, the reports from First Metro Sec. So we have here on the next tab, yung valuation naman, it will provide you the last 5 years na valuation ng company. And you can also export this one. So next, we have here financials, same, last 5 years. And also, we have here the dividend history. So if ever the stock is giving dividends, so you can view its dividend history dito na part sa ating platform. And then, we have here the disclosures na din. So next, we have here the consensus target. So under consensus target, again, you will see here kung ano yung average target price nung stock na yun and its, kumbaga, call to action. So say JFC, we have here lowest price niya is 274. And then as per our consensus target, its highest price is 335.28. So that is consensus rating of 5. So that is a buy. So other details you will see, profile, and then sa stats naman din. So next, we have here the First Metro Sec universe. So these are all the reports coming from our research team. So just to show you, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kind of reports. No? So we have here reports that is being published daily before the market opens. So let me just click on one report. And then I will show you what it looks like. So yeah, before the market opens, you can make this a habit, no, to check this report. So the title of the report is called What's Brewing. So it will show you what will happen to the market, and also it will also show you what happened to the market like previous days. So here we have the performance of the PSEI. We also have here stock calls for the day. So this report is for May 22. So we have here SMPH. So we have here some recommendations of our research team. So on the next pages, you will see here the PSEI top gainers and all other stocks that are not listed in the PSEI din. So we have here news info, both international, local, as well as corporate news. So on the next pages, more details about that report. And then we also have here corporate calendar. So under corporate calendar, you will see here the ex-dividend and then the annual stockholders meeting. Then we also have here economic calendar, no? And lastly, yung general disclosure. So next on the report, let me show you the weekly report. Okay. Yan. So this is the weekly report. So weekly report is being published first day of the week. It is titled the Market Blueprint. So it will explain you what happened to the market previously on the last week, and then it will show you it will explain you what could possibly happen sa market this week, and also some key data releases. Okay, we also have here picks for the week. If doon sa daily, stock pulse for the day. This one, we have picks for the week. So we have usually 3 stocks no, for this kind of report. So it will provide you the recommendation of our research team. So next, we have here the PSCI top gainers. It will also explain to you what contributed to that price action, bakit sila naging top gainers and top losers. So we also have here a chart ng ating PSCI technical analysis. And then it will provide you the support and resistance of our PSEI, and then the analysis and the trading plan. Okay, so basically that is our weekly report. Let's move on to the next report. So we have here the consensus report. So if doon sa ating consensus tab, you see the top lang, no, kumaga under PSCI. You will see here all of the stocks, no, kahit hindi siya PSCI. Tapos it is also being categorized, no, depende dun sa if it's a dividend yield stocks or based ba kayo dun sa price to earnings. Let's check on this. Okay, so this one is a consensus corner. So first, we have here, it is being categorized now based on index. So we have holdings, property, financials, industrial, and services. So you are provided of its last price based on the report. Tapos its week-on-week percentage change, yung kanyang dividend yield, the consensus target, tapos yung kanyang potential profit and loss, as well as its consensus rating. So it will provide you a quick glance, no? Say you want to check on a stock that has a strong buy lang. So just like this one. We have here Converge. So it is a strong buy. You will see the potential profit that is, we have here 43.74%. Okay, so another trading idea, no? So you can check on the consensus corner. So another report we will explore is the technical. Okay, so under technical, so these are all technical related, no? It will show you the kind of opportunity, say bullish or bearish. So you can just explore this one. It will redirect you to a new tab or a new report, no? If you click on this link. Okay, next report we have here company report. So actually the company report, it will just show you some reports from the company itself. Tapos we have here other reports. So other reports, these are from PSE reports. Next, we have here the stock screen naman. So another trading idea, if you wanna check on stocks, no, kung saang stocks kayo pwede mag-invest. So you can do it or you can check it via stock screen. So stock screen, from the name itself, our research team screened some stocks, no, and suggested or recommended these stocks based on some categories. So the categories we say, we have riding the flows, unloved, and yield seeker. So to explain, the stock screen under riding the flows. So these are stocks that has this one, high liquidity stocks with foreign visibility and strong earnings expectation. So under this screen, we have these companies. So it will provide you its target price, its support and resistance, and as well as dito sa baba, yung kaniyang peers naman. So that is riding the flows. Next, we have the unloved stocks. So these are stocks that generate high earnings growth but are undervalued by the market. So ito yung ating unloved, kumaga growth stocks with cheap expectations. So mura siya pero it will give you high earnings. So we have here Security Bank, Manila Water, Aboitiz, and the rest. As well as dito sa baba yung kaniyang peers naman for comparison. So last category sa ating stock screen, we have yield seeker. So yield seeker, these are stocks, no, that can generate above average dividend yield. So high dividend yield and high dividend growth CAGR. So actually, this category or this stock screen, paulit-ulit lang siya, no? So we have MBT, PLDT, AREIT, MREIT, and RLC. Okay? So if you don't have like an idea no, on what stocks to invest, the stock screen report can help you. Okay, so we have here, let's go back to the screen. Okay, so we have here the last report is the Traders Playbook report. So the Traders Playbook report, this is stock specific. So let's check on this. Ito, it's published actually kanina lang. So we have here Traders Playbook na PLDT. So it will show you or explain to you what happened no sa PLDT, what's the recommendation, and then the view of our research team, and also the recommendation. So for this, say you accumulate TEL on pullbacks near the breakout point, and then at around 1,400 is advisable. Then take profits near 1,615 and stop loss limit at 1,288. Basically, you can read on the Trader's Playbook no kasi it will provide you some recommendation and some analysis ng aming research team. So we have here naman the technical corner no, the chart. And also, yeah, the trading plan. And then, so that's the last part of the Trader's Playbook. So if you are familiar no, with the Trader's Playbook, we just conducted a Trader's Playbook. It's with Sir Aaron Saino. He will explain lang kung what could possibly happen sa market. So, yan, going back. So, ito yung ating first MetroSec research tab. So, you can check on this, you can read on this to gain some trading ideas. Next, meron naman tayong company reports. So, all company related, no? And then, all reports. So, it is being collated. So, you can filter this one. Kung anong klaseng report yung gusto ninyong basahin. So, we have here, yan, all of the reports, and then you can also filter, no, or choose a stock. Okay, so if you click on any on this, so the same thing would happen. So again, so that is our research tab. So next we have here the chart tab. So doon sa ating chart tab, as you all know, especially to those na existing na first MetroSec client, we just made changes no sa ating charting. So let me first show you the interactive chart. Okay, so with our interactive chart, you will be able to, yeah, so we have this one. Okay, so it will just show you no, on how, kumbaga quick glance lang of what happened to the market based on this charting. So to select a stock, we have here, input nilang JFC. Okay, so you will see here the charting of JFC. So change the interval, 1 minute, 1 hour, or day basis. You also have here, choose the type of chart, no? Or yeah, so we have here bars, candle, line. So the most common is candle. And then we have here some, if you want to compare a stock or add simple, so you can just do it here. So yeah, so if you click any on this, you can actually basically explore this one because we have some tutorials naman din. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna explain to you is we have here the dynamic chart naman. So I know we have removed no, the drawing tools ng ating interactive chart. But we have here the dynamic chart naman. And of course, we will not leave you like hanging lang. We will be sharing to you on how to do or how to explore, how to add some drawing tools dito sa ating dynamic chart. So to search on a stock, you can just say input this one, say you want to check on AREIT. Yan. So it will show you the charting of a REIT. And then we have this one. You can also compare stocks. So say you want to compare a REIT and MREIT. So you just input this one, change on the color. Yan. So we have here, you will see here the comparison of a REIT. So this is MREIT na. So quick glance lang of the comparison if you want to check on the, say, differences and other data. So we have here the drawing tools. So under the drawing tools, so check on this. We have here the Fibonacci. We have here the lines and other details, also the technicals. So the Elliott wave, you can plot this one, click any, and then yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna do the execution, but I will just show you where to access those drawing tools, no. And then we also have here like this one, info. So if you click on this, you will see this one, no. It will show you a quick glance lang no, open, close, high, and low. And then you also have here the table view naman of that stock. So kumbaga all the transactions of that stock then ng kanyang closing price. Okay? And then if you wanna delete naman no, the one we made earlier no, yung comparison ng stock. So you can simply click on the delete. So we have here another chart type. So ito yung most common, candle. So you can do this one. We also have here yung interval. So the per day, 1 minute and 10 seconds, and the rest. So view, you can save chart actually. So say for this one, AREIT, simply click save view and then name the chart. So save AREIT and it will be available na sa ating save views. So sa studies, dito ninyo makikita yung ating mga technical indicators. So say what are the common technical indicators? So we have here moving average. Yan. So if you hover on this, no, you will see the star sign. So it's like bookmark. Bookmark this one or save this one favorites. So if you click this one, moving average, it will show you the moving average and then edit nyo lang, no, if you want to check on a 50 days or say me, say usually 200 moving average, and then change the color. So say this is yellow, and then click on done. Okay, if you want to add one, so again, moving average, say 50, say you want to, so green one is for 50, and then this one. Okay, other technical, no, we have here relative strength index, or we have here RSI. So this one, RSI. So favorites. And then if you click this one, so ito yung ating RSI. So do some customization. If you want to change the color, you can do this one and click on done. Another is we have here the MACD. Okay. So this is your MACD, no? This one. Okay. So change the color based on your preference. If you want to remove naman those we plot, no? So simply click on X. Okay? Yan. So basically, you have here naman the dynamic chart, no? Kasi the technical or the drawing tools are available naman din dito sa ating dynamic chart. And again, we will provide you guidance, no, on how to do on how to like draw or how to add some drawing tools on your dynamic chart. So lastly, we have here chart patterns then. So it's the same chart patterns. These are AI generated, automatic na siya. So if ever naman you don't want to do the manual, you can do and you can check naman our chart patterns. So again, we have here the recently viewed, yung ating most viewed bullish na chart and most popular. So if you click on this, say, yan, we have here the most bullish stock. So ito. It will provide you data and some explanation, no? And then some trading events or events na din related to that stock. So it will also provide you yung ating support and resistance and yung kanyang stop price recommendation. Okay? And you can also read more on this, no, if you want to know more about that recommendation. So going back, you can check again on the home page to view more of the charting, no? Next, we have the screener. Filter this one based on your preference. So we do have a lot of filters. Check on stocks that are bullish. Here we have stocks. Tapos if you consider some market capitalization, large cap, just check this one. And then the price volume, if you consider some prices, and then some patterns na din. Okay, and then you can also build watch list, no, based on this chart patterns, and then the alert center. And lastly, we also have the learn technical analysis. So on this part, a module is being provided, no? And also meron tayo ditong knowledge check. So it only has, I think, 3 modules. Each of this module, no? So we have here introduction, tapos meron tayong methods of plotting. So the videos usually or only take 8 to 10 minutes. And then after each session, meron tayong quizzes to evaluate our knowledge. Okay? So basically, yun yung ating chart tab. So again, stay tuned lang no for the further announcements regarding dun sa ating charting. Yung ating dynamic chart. So again, we are now done with the chart. The next thing you will do is to trade. So sa ating trade, we have here this one, new order. So sa ating new order, it's simple. If you want to buy or sell, so say you want to buy on JFC, you click on this one. It will provide you the top 5, or actually you have the option to check on the top 5 or top 10 no, na bid and ask price ng ating stock. So if ever you will buy a stock, of course, you will look at the ask side. So this one, if you click on this, ask volume, automatic na, it will provide the detail na of ng ating price. So say JFC, if you click on this drop down, automatic na siya. Or you can simply input nyo lang, type nyo lang. So for this, volume is 100. And then for the expiry, so we have day, good till week, and good till month. So per day, tapos good till week, and then good till month. So the market, we have here normal. Again, Adlat is only available when the market is open. So we have here naman yung ating order. So another feature of our first MetroSec Pro is the conditional orders. So before I go to the conditional orders, no. So say you are sure na of this trade. If you hover this one, yung mouse natin sa value, you will see the charges breakdown. So you will see the gross, tapos yung commission, and then other fees. So if you are okay with the order, you just click on buy. And for security purposes, you will have to input your password para at least malaman namin nga kayo talaga yung nag-execute ng order. Okay? So going back na, let me just share to you some quick information lang doon sa ating conditional orders. Now, these are the common conditional orders now we usually experience. So the first conditional order, yan. So we have here muna guidelines no, on how to place conditional order. So we have to remember three important inputs. So meron tayong trigger price. So ito yung the price that must be reached no, by the stock before the order is posted. So based on this example, the trigger price is itong red. So the limit price, it is the price at which you want to fill your order or better. So ito naman yung ating green. Expiry, it is the length of time. So we are willing to wait for that stock to hit your trigger price. So we have here good till month, good till week. Okay. So the first conditional order is the buy on breakout. So basically, buy on breakout, kunwari meron kayong hinihintay na stock, tapos it finally reaches yung kanyang resistance level, and then, kumbaga hindi niyo siya ma-monitor, you can ask no, the system to place an automatic order. So for this example, so say you wanna buy a stock of XYZ. If it finally reaches yung kanyang resistance level na 52.75. So to instruct the system, no, yung trigger price natin is 55 pesos. Tapos yung limit price natin is 56 pesos. So kumbaga, you can instruct the system to post a buy order once the price goes up to 55 pesos. And then, to ensure lang na your order will be fully filled, so you can set a limit price na 56 pesos. So pag na-trigger na yung price na 55, it will execute your order to buy 10,000 shares of XYZ stocks. So next naman, we have here stop limit. So cut loss, meaning you sell using stop limit order. So say naka-purchase ka na, you've purchased XYZ stocks, no? 10,000 shares of that stock, and you wanna cut loss as soon as the price goes below yung ating support level, which is the 52.75. So you can instruct the system to post a sell order if the price goes down to 51.75. So the 51.75, ito yung ating trigger price. So pag na-reach na yan or abot na yan siya na price yung 51.75, automatic na mag-instruct or ma-post yung order ninyo. Now, to increase naman the chances of all your shares na being sold, yung limit price natin is 51.50. So again, this is how you mitigate your loss or you sell using stop limit para at least makat yung losses. So next, we have here cut loss. So sell using order cancels the other. So two considerations yan siya. Let's remember lang nung ating previous example. So for this, you can instruct the system to post a sell order if the price of the stock drops to 51.75. So ito yung ating stop limit trigger price. And then, para ma-fill yung order ninyo, so your stop limit price is 51.70. So kunwari bumaba yung stock to 51.75, automatic na matrigger yung order para at least you have like cut loss order na. So if ever naman you wanna sell a stock or if it breaks out naman dun sa ating resistance, so you can instruct then the system to post a order. So kunwari if it breaks out or increases yung price to 55.25, yun yung ating lit trigger price. And then yung order ninyo will be filled at 55 pesos. Okay, so these are the common conditional orders. So say if you've executed na those conditional orders, you will see it here sa ating conditional order na tab. Okay, so let me just check if my screen is okay. Yan. So once you've done with the order, you can view your orders here. You can sort this one based on open orders, match orders, canceled or rejected. Tapos we have here all stocks and both sides. So conditional orders, ito naman yung instructions. So pending, triggered, canceled or rejected. And then filter it based on your stocks if ever madami kayong in-execute na order. So both sides, you can also do that one. So view history. So under view history, you will be able to see all your order transactions based on this timeline. So we have the last 45 days and we also have yung pinaka-minimum na 5 days. And next, we have here the ledger. So sa ating ledger, you will see here yung ins and outs ng ating transactions dun sa account. So kunwari, you funded your account, you will see it here. If you receive some dividends, if ever you have some dividends from stocks or mutual funds, you will also view it here. So lahat ng transactions, dito nyo makikita sa ledger. And you can also export this one. Okay, next we have here portfolio. So once you have an account, you will be able to see your portfolio here. So stocks, portfolio in funds, and bonds. So if ever meron kayong bonds, makikita nyo din siya dito. Okay, you will see here yung total and then yung kanilang face value and other details. So you can actually explore this one naman din. And then lastly, we have here news. So basically yung news natin, news lang from the PSE and also news from First Metro Sec. So medyo loading lang siya. Okay, so we are done with the stocks. Allow me naman to introduce to you funds. So sa ating funds, again, First Metro Sec, we have FundSmart, no? So it is like a supermarket of mutual funds. So pwede din kayo mag-invest through First Metro Sec. So first, we have here the home tab. Baga, you will see it here lang kung ano yung details ng ating funds. Next, we have the FundSmart. So sa FundSmart tab, you will see the description of the tab. Say, we have here fund type, UITF or mutual funds. Tapos we have here yung mga fund strategy, bond fund, balance fund, money market, and equity fund. We also have funds na in USD and in PHP. Okay, risk rating, fund size, and start date. So we have a total say for PHP, let's check on this. We have a total of 100 mutual funds na PHP yung currency. So if you are interested, you can check on this din naman. So on the next tab, performance, you will see the performance of these funds based on year to date, 1 year percentage change in the last 3 years, and 5 years. Now me, I use this tab to filter kung anong fund yung may malaking percentage change. Kasi yun yung I plan to invest in that fund. So say I want to check on a fund that has the highest return in the last 1 year. So we have here this one. We have the Atram Global Financials. And other details, you can also sort this one. You have also this predetermined naman na mga drop-down. No? If ever you have some interest, say for this asset type, balance, bond, equity, and money market. So we have here the fee structure naman of the funds. So it will show you the minimum investment, additional subscription, and the minimum redemption amount, and other details. So say if you want to invest on a fund, so you just click on invest. But there is a shortcut. So you just go back to the FundSmart. Say you want to invest on, let's check on the highest rating. Say you want to check on this. You want to subscribe sa Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. So you just click on subscribe. And then the amount, say, input nyo lang since this is a demo account. So we won't be able to proceed. Pero that is how you subscribe to a fund. So if ever naman you have some instructions, so view your instructions here and your history. And also more details of your portfolio, no? So you have here like the number of shares, yung redeem price ninyo if ever na nag-redeem na kayo, tapos yung market value and the total cost. Tapos yung profit and loss. So, I'm just gonna share to you, we will be adding na din some feature dito sa ating funds, which is, we will provide you details or automatic filter na nung mga funds na nagbibigay ng dividends. Kasi hindi lang stocks yung nagbibigay ng dividends, we also have funds that gives out dividends. Okay? We also have research sa ating funds. So say for this, if you check on the Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund, you will see its provider, and then you will see its fee information, the performance. We also have the chart, and the top holdings, kung anong mga companies or holdings yung kasali dun sa fund na yun. And then its fund allocation. So dito sa ating fund allocation, so you will see here, utilities ba, ilang percentage yung sa property, and other details. So you can explore FundSmart. We have more than 100 funds with different providers. So these are our providers. We have here Atram, BPI, First Metro Asset, also Metro Bank, and others. So you can do this one, you can research, and it will give you another investment opportunity kasi to diversify your portfolio. Okay, so I guess that's our navigation of the first MetroSec Pro platform. So I hope you've learned something, Pero before I proceed dun sa ating Q&A, allow me to share some of the additional FAQs dun sa ating first MetroSec Pro. So we have here the first MetroSec Pro, other details. We also have the video tutorials on Pro. It will only give you, it will give you like a quick summary lang of the features and benefits. So we have here videos from our very own president, Mr. Gonzalo G. Ordonez. So he personally will tell you kung ano yung favorite features niya sa ating platform. So aside from that, we also have some First MetroSec Pro FAQs. Another is we have this conditional order. So you just check on the First MetroSec help desk, it will explain further kung ano yung how to execute, what are the guidelines to do some conditional orders. So type of conditional orders, we also have this one. Yan. It will help you, no, to further understand. Yung kanina, I just showed you how to do it, no? Pero for this further explanation, and aside from that, we also have this one, a playlist created for you, no? So ito yung ating playlist from our very own president. So we collated all the videos. This is available sa aming um, First Metro Securities official YouTube page. So you can check on this one. So pwede niyo siyang ulit-ulitin. So going back to our presentation, so I guess that's it. So I hope you learned something, no? We will now proceed with the Q&A. So yung kanina I told you to, if you have some, ano lang, if you have some questions related to our platform and other details na din. Okay. Okay, for the first one, we have here from the anonymous attendee. So why do we need to manually enter the com rate in the trade calculator? Can't the system automatically provide that? Actually, for this, actually we have to manually input this one. Kasi this platform actually, provider din sila ng iba't ibang brokers. So medyo iba-iba lang siguro yung computation. That's why we have to do it manually. Pero that is the commission rate, 0.0025. So I guess I answered that one I answered that question from our anonymous attendee. Okay, so next we have here from the chat box naman. So do you have plans on adding OTP security for account access? Actually, for this, if you want this kind of feature, no, we will happily endorse this one or propose this one. Pero I just want to make sure, no, that the platform is safe. Okay. You should also kumbaga, do your part, no, of not sharing your access. Pero say if ever naman na someone access your account, no, without your kumbaga permission, if he or she did some kumbaga nag-withdraw siya ng funds, safe naman kasi it will be kumbaga it will be credited naman to your settlement account if that is your concern. Pero going back to your concern of adding OTP, yes, we can do this naman po. Okay. So we have here, we have some questions actually related to the conditional orders. So for this, I will be okay. So I froze. Okay. For this, I think it's better, no, if I will share to you the video kasi we have videos naman, no, snippets naman of the snippets or videos on how to do or how to execute yung ating conditional orders naman. So for this, you can actually check on our YouTube channel, no, and also you can email customer service at firstmetrosec.com. Okay, so let me move on to the next question. Where can we see funds that gives dividends? So for this, it is part of the improvement, no? For now, it is not provided pa sa ating platform, pero you can email customer service. We will provide you a list, no, of the funds that gives out dividends. So the dividends, we have the monthly, we have quarterly, we have semi-annual, and we also have annually. Okay. Okay, so how much is the fee for the course of gift? Actually, I am not really familiar with this, but you can email this one. If ever naman we have a schedule naman of gift, we will provide you of the details. But I think it's I believe siguro I think it's 10,000 kasi it's a full course eh. Mr. Aaron Sai will explain the fundamentals, the technicals. He will also provide you the building your own trading system. So he will help you to kumbaga he will help you kumbaga on how you will execute your trades, kumbaga he will guide you. So parang full course na din talaga siya. That's why if you consider it expensive, for me, sulit naman din talaga siya. Okay. So another question here from Sir Ronnie. Is it possible to segregate the shares per purchase lot and not consolidate them into one. Actually, for this, since yung ating platform, it for now, it will provide you of the consolidated lang muna na mga transactions, no, or your portfolio. We will also consider this one, no, as a suggestion. Okay, so another question. Let me check if I miss. Okay. Right. Okay. So another question here, what is the difference between most active and top traded? So for the most active, ito yung ating, let me just go back sa ating platform. So the most active traded stocks, so let's check on the index. Okay. I think nag-loading lang siya. So yung ating top traded, so it is based naman on volume, no? So yung ating most active based on the number of trades. So if you check on this, yung ating most active traded stocks is we have here ICT. So for this, actually same lang din siya. So most active kasi yung kanyang total transactions is this one. Okay? So what else? So again, top traded based on volume, most active is based on the number of trades. Okay, so I guess that's all our questions. So yeah, I think that's what. Okay, so let me just go back to my presentation. Okay, yeah. So before we end now the program, let me just share to you the remaining events of our market education team. So we only have one remaining event that's gonna happen May 29. So simply just scan this QR code, no, or check on our Facebook page, social media pages, no, should you want to attend to this webinar. Okay. So next, and so follow us, First Metro Securities. So this is our official handle at First Metro Sec. So we are available, or we have accounts, or we have profiles in Facebook, Instagram. We also have Spotify, you know. We have podcast. We share the podcast, no. We also have TikTok and then Twitter and of course YouTube. So we have here the email of customer service, that is customerservice@firstmetrosec.com.ph. Okay. And lastly, yes, so this is the most important part for me. So to those who have stayed until the end of this, or until this the part of this webinar, no, so I encourage you to scan the QR code. This is like a feedback form, so you can share some insights or suggestions. You can also give us, say you wanna talk on a baga topic, so pwede niyo siya, you can do it here or you can suggest it here sa ating feedback form. And also, suggestions, no, on how we can do better. Okay, so I guess that ends my webinar. Thank you so much, no, to the 30 participants who have stayed with me until the end of this session. So I guess you learned something from me. To those who wanna watch again the video, this will be uploaded, no, in our official YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Have a great evening. So see you in our future events. Thank you so much.